Master SYSPRO's payment processing from invoice to checks.
This tutorial will include the following: changing a released invoice, placing a released invoice on hold, clearing a manual check, and lastly, deleting a payment run.
Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the Accounts Payable module, and we are focusing on payment processing in SYSPRO, and this is part 2. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to Accounts Payable, then we're going to go to Payment Processing, and we're going to go to Payment Cycle Maintenance. And we're just going to make this bigger. So here on the payment run, you're going to type in or scroll for a payment run. So in our case, it's FB101, and we're going to tap off. So we're going to select the invoice below, and we're going to click on the change icon. So here we're going to maybe change the gross payment amount. So let's say the amount was incorrectly entered and it actually has to be this amount, and we're going to then save, and we're going to end the payment run. And that is how you change a released invoice. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Payable, and we're going to go to Payment Processing, and we're going to go to Payment Cycle Maintenance. And we're just going to make the screen bigger, and we're going to then type in our payment run, and we're going to tap off. Again, you're going to select the invoice, and you're going to come to here where it says remove, and you're going to click on the arrow, and then you will have a drop-down menu, and then you will select hold invoice, and we're going to say okay, and you're going to end the payment run and close the program. And that is how you place a released invoice on hold. I hope you're finding this tutorial informative. Before you continue, make sure you are subscribed, like the video, and share. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Payable, then we're going to go to Payment Processing, and we're going to go to Payment Cycle Maintenance. I'm just going to make this bigger. So again, on the payment run, we're going to type in our payment run, and we're going to tap off. We're going to then select the invoice, and we're going to come here where it says remove. We're going to click on the arrow, and a drop-down menu will appear, and we're going to then select clear manual check. We're going to say okay, and we're going to end the payment run, and we're going to close the program. And that is how you clear a manual check. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Payable, and then we're going to go to Payment Processing, and we're going to go to Payment Cycle Maintenance. We're going to then open the program, and here we're going to type in the payment run, and we're going to tap off. Okay, so we're going to go to File, and we're going to then select Delete Payment Run, and we're going to say OK. And we're going to close this program, and that is how you delete a payment run. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment which videos you'd like to see next, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Please do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below, and thank you for watching this video.